All right, okay, all right, okay. Yep. That was good. Some things have occurred. They are not good. Oh, I can't reach it. Oh boy. I'm by a I was down the boulder. I think I might be able to, if I can get out of this downward, I might be able to actually ride back up to you. Oh, that's steep. Hello.
You make it home now. Survive!
Holy shit. Whoa, boy. Oh. Here, I'm going to show you what I did. It was because that was f***ing nuts. Here we go. So, I went down the rocks like up top, kind of to the side. And I came up on like the side by the fence. I didn't have anywhere to go. And I just fell over, picked it up. And then there's nowhere else to go. So I'm just looking at this f***ing rock face. And I went down the rock face.
Down that?
Yeah. I came in right here on the left and about almost ate shit. That was f***ing insane.